Don't forget to release her and hang on to her mane. Good. There you go. Took off a little late. That's okay. Look at your jump. Good. Okay, ready to go higher? Yeah. Okay. There you go. Good. Spot your jump. Spot your jump. Don't lean forward too fast. Perfect. See, you could do it.
Perfect.
Awesome. Good deal. Make sure you release. Perfect. Good deal.